Had an awesome evening on the river. Kept some beautiful male walleyes, and I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I'm gonna clean these and I'm gonna keep the skin on and actually do a grilling them with the skin on. So I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna save 3 fillets with the skin on. They're slipping away right now, and put some seasoning on them and put them on the grill, see how it goes. All right, I've got the fillets here. I'm gonna season them a little bit before putting them on the grill, just so the spices can soak in. I wanna keep it pretty simple, just to taste the walleye. I mean, it's fresh springtime walleye. It doesn't get much better than that. So I'm gonna just do salt and a little Old Bay. My new bae will be on her way home soon, so this dinner will be ready for her when she gets home. You also gotta go with the little smoked paprika. All right, let's give this a try. I'm gonna keep the grill at about medium. Hoping that skin on the backside will be a good barrier from the heat, and then afterwards we'll just be able to peel that off. Sprinkle a couple wood chips down there to give it some nice smoke. Could have done this again. I probably would have put a little oil, basted some oil on them to start. But better late than never. Eventually I'm excited to try this like with oh man, like marinated tonight in like Italian dressing and stuff. I feel like that could be really good too, but I want to give it like a fair test, just kind of authentically the walleye. Eventually I'll do a lot more with it, but I feel like it's, you know, you just gotta know what it's actually like by itself first. New bae's home.
What?
Really good though. It's like,
it is.
I overcooked it probably a little bit, but peels right off the skin, and it is phenomenal. This will not be, I don't think I would want to season it more.
No, it's really good.
Bottom's kind of charred.